Hey guys, this is Jay from Sentinel Trading Channel. So welcome to the new episode of the Binbot Pro Trading Progress. Today I'm going to share with you my results the year of 2021 trading with Binbot Pros. This is kind of like a bad announcement. Unfortunately, the results is not really encouraging as compared to the last 2 years that I've been using Binbot Pro Trading software. You can see right now my balance is 493. So in fact, I've started trading with about $370 after my previous major withdrawal at the end of 2020. Basically, this is my balance growth. You can see I've actually tracked my balance on an Excel sheet. So far, I've actually did about near 50 trades since January 2020. So if you guys are my subscriber that have been following me, you guys know that I've been strictly using the beta 2 and beta settings. So it has been working very well for the past 1 year. That grew my account massively. Unfortunately, the current market situation, it is not the case. So what happened was I've managed to grow the account from $370 up to $900, and right now we have a huge drawdown and it decreased to 490. So what I've actually been doing since early March and also end of February is to test other potential settings that may perform very well. So I might have shared that I've been trying to test some new settings to replace the beta 1 and beta 2 settings. Unfortunately, there is no settings that can actually obviously outperform the older settings. Due to this situation, I will actually alert in the Telegram group to pause Binbot Pro Trading for about at least a month, and let me try to work out other potential settings on my smaller account. So if I actually come up with a good settings that can grow my trading account, I will definitely share with you guys via the Telegram group and also the YouTube channel. So make sure you guys do subscribe to my channel and to get the latest news on the Binbot Pro Trading software. So now the question boils down to this: what am I supposed to do moving forward from this month, the end of March 2021, or maybe in April? It depends on when you actually watch this video, and also depends on the outcome of my 1 month searching for alternative settings that may work well in this current market condition. There's no one trading strategy that can fit all market conditions, and especially Binbot Pro actually deals with a 7-minute binary options trading. Not every time or not every month will be a good situation for a 7-minute expiry. So usually if I trade binary options, if you guys were following me in my manual signals group, so you guys know that I usually trade 30 minutes binary options trade. So for example, I will share in the Telegram group my entry price, like let's for example AUD JPY put at 83.935 30 minutes after the first touch at the target price. So that means if the market actually reach 83.935, our expiry should be 30 minutes after the price reaches 83.935, and we should enter a put trade. So of course, if the price do go higher than 83.95, that would mean that it would be a much better entry price. But do note that the expiry, it is not from the 30 minutes from the time where you trade. It should be 30 minutes from the time when the price actually reaches the target price. So, and also I posted a GBP CHF put at 1.28765. In this case, I actually posted a specific expiry. So some signals will require a specific expiry. This is a good example. So at 8:15, so that means it should be roughly about 20 minutes from the time I posted this signal, and the lowest entry price that we can enter is 1.2876796. So this would be the result. So this is the AUD JPY 83.935. We entered here. The price actually reaches this point here. So that means the expiry that we should go for is 30 minutes from this time right here. So that would be the red line. So the trade ended up in a winning trade, a successful setup, as the price actually closes around this bar. And for the GBP CHF, this is the one signal that has a specific expiry at 8:15 over here, and we enter at 1.28796. So the price actually expired below the target price. So this is the free binary option signals that I actually gave to subscribers that have signed up Binbot Pro via my referral link. But however, moving forward, this is not the only one. I do also provide a Forex trading signal, which is rather is the standard format, which include specific entry, stop losses, and also target price. So this is a new announcement. It's part of the good news that I have in this video, is I will actually start to provide a premium signal service for binary options and also forex trading, the one that I've tested extensively since the year of 2021. So this is actually in fact the premium signal group. So this premium signal groups actually run on pending orders, so a lot of pending orders. So it's actually very suitable for traders that has a 9-to-5 jobs and just would like to try trading on the side. So we trade usually on 4-hour charts, and pending order enables us to put our entry, our stop loss, and also the target profit before the price actually reaches the target price. And what we can do is we just put in the pending order. So that would take about 15 minutes a day, and whenever you are free, we can look at the current live pending order and just adjust what are the pending orders that I have on my trading platform, and you guys can just follow it. So this is actually the premium one, and the results has been astounding. Previous 2 weeks I've been consistently making more than 300 pips per week. Even in this tough market situation, I would say the current market is really volatile, but it presents us with good opportunity, and I've been consistently making profits for more than 1,000 pips per month. And even though we are running on a pending order, so about 90% of the signals here are pending order, so we don't need to post a live signals like buy now or sell now. So most of the traders wouldn't really have the time, and they would probably be busy and cannot catch a good entry. So which is why I decided to do a pending order based on a larger time frame setup, so it is less riskier, and the stop loss will be averaging about 30 pips, 40 pips, 50 pips. So that is actually what is required usually on a longer time frame chart, but sometimes we actually can go for 20 pips setup as well. So it depends on the particular market situation. We have been profiting massively. So even for example, if we make 300 pips per week, so on that week, even on a 0.01 lot with a minimum deposit of $50 account, so 0.01, 300 pips profit will translate to about $30. So imagine if you have a $50 balance, and you can trade the minimum lot 0.01, and the 300 pips would definitely make us around $30. So a $30 gain from a $50 balance, it is really good. It's more than 50%. So that is my on average per week results recently, even on pending orders. So but the key thing is to actually be patient and just wait for a setup. If the pending order does not trigger, I'll just adjust the pending order accordingly and delete some and put a new pending order. So this is pretty much what we can do that is currently profitable, and to replace the Binbot Pro trading software. So I do need some time to test the Binbot Pro trading software for a month. So do make sure, if you guys are the current user of or current subscribers for Binbot Pro using my settings, you do give me a month to check out alternative settings, and at the same time do check out my premium forex trading signals. And also I will be releasing a binary options premium signals as well. So the binary options, it is very similar to what I've shared with you guys just now, but this time I will split it to 3 sessions, and these 3 sessions are 0600 GMT plus 0, 1400 GMT plus 0, as well as 2200 GMT plus 0. So I'll be having 3 sessions, maybe about an hour on each of this session. Or it depends, it really depends on the market situation and also setups that I can find. But I think having 3 sessions a day would be pretty sufficient for us to trade just enough to trade safely, and also have good quality trade setup for us to trade. And also lastly, do check out my free Telegram binary options and also forex group. So I actually dedicated a specific Telegram group to share free setups for binary options and also forex. I've actually consolidated them. So if you guys are my previous subscribers that are using my beta method, so you guys were receiving free binary options and also forex signals, so do transfer and join in this free Telegram group instead, because I will consolidate my free binary options and forex signal in this current Telegram group. The link to the Telegram group is in the description box below, so please make sure to join the group. And even if you guys are not really interested in following my signals, do join in as well, because I will try to share as many free trading setups that I can give you guys, and hopefully it will actually help you guys in your trading journey. So that's all for this episode, guys. So do remember to subscribe to my channel, and also the free Telegram group for Forex and binary options. And do remember to trade safe and also stay healthy in this current pandemic situation. And I wish you guys all the best. Thanks, guys.